What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Lex, and I'm back again with another video. Today's the day that somebody's getting pranked, and that person, he gonna be in the car in like 10 minutes. So he's a friend. I really don't know him. I don't know him, like we met, you know, hi, bye, but we never really like associated and had a full-blown conversation for like, you know, whatever. But I'm gonna prank him. He is, you know, he does YouTube. He's gonna introduce himself and all that good stuff when I go pick him up. He does not know what we're doing today. Quick, bought this from Walmart. As you guys see by the title, it's about to be on and popping, but I just don't want to get my seats wet because they're like suede kinda, and if they get wet, they're gonna stink. Seats cover, they're on. I'm scared, sis. Let's say I need my nails done ASAP, like ASAP. Do you see this? Anyway,
what's up, y'all? It's Los Double O.
introduce yourself. Did my YouTube don't know you?
Los Double O here, man.
Tell them what you do. Tell them your Instagram. You know, give yourself a shout out.
Hey, man. Los Double O, LOS, 00.
Y'all hear
I
them?
already know it. And I just, what's today's date? What's today's date?
Following the 19th.
Today's the 19th. I just dropped.
Show some love.
Turn that up. All I see. Same thing on all platforms. Los Double O, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. Soon to be dropping on all platforms too. Soon to hit Apple Music, Spotify.
Y'all hear my
everything you look for.
Well, tune in. I'm about to go and get a car wash real quick, just to clean the outside of my car.
Even though it rained yesterday.
Yesterday, you see? Yesterday.
It's hot as shit today too.
Oh yeah.
It's crazy.
But make sure y'all go tune into his YouTube channel too, cause it's about to get real.
Yeah, I'm just starting, man. She shout out to.
Really?
Yeah. I mean, I've had it for like a couple months now, but like I said, I only put my music videos on there. I haven't.
So wait, but you wanna be? Is that what you wanna do?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
Cause you can't force yourself into something you don't wanna.
No, I do. I always wanted to be like a content
Cause it won't come out how you want it.
Yeah.
But alright, cool. That's good.
I feel like everything come natural too, and for the most part, like, you know what I'm saying, like.
But it only comes natural if it's like real, honest.
Right.
You know,
Right.
If it's a lie, it's gonna be bullshit.
Right.
So, like, you ever seen people's pranks where like they fake it?
No. I could tell when something's scripted. I could tell when something fake as shit. I wouldn't.
Well,
even
you
lie.
got that, cause I be like,
I could definitely tell.
Oh, that shit look fake. Oh, that shit look fake. Oh, he not even trying to be there. Oh, that's cool. But today, not really sure what's going on. Well, I kind of have an idea of what I want to do.
I wish I could say this.
He said, but it's cool though, cause look, when we in the car wash, we have all that time to think. We could probably do my video first, and then we could just probably think. Like, what you okay?
What was your video?
I kind of was just. I have like, all right. I have questions for you, right?
All right.
I have questions, and since they don't know you, I don't really know you. We're gonna get to know you. Now, here's the thing. The questions, yes, they're a little, you know, adult.
Okay.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my god.
But we're adults, right? How old are you?
21.
We're adults.
I'll
So
be
we don't even
22 in
got.
August.
Look at that. I'll be 21 in September.
Shout out to all the Leos out there. Man, you come deep for your car wash. Did you live up here? You live up here?
No, I live.
You loyal to this fucking car wash. They love you. You're a loyal customer.
I mean, hey, gotta keep the car. I literally wash my car at least once a week.
Man, there's one right there on H100 Park. You can get a fucking.
And then you said free car wash for the whole month.
Yeah.
And then after that, $6, right?
$6. No, after that you pay the fee on the actual.
Which is like $6, no? Six,
so
10?
it'll be this.
Oh, all right, that's cool. No.
Hold on, let me.
I thought she had a wristband. She didn't have a wristband.
That's suspicious. That's weird.
You still need my card?
Oh yeah, sorry.
She goddamn.
Thank you.
Please wait until the gate opens.
All right, have a great rest of your day.
Thank you, you too. Alright, y'all. Let's put it on.
They gonna be like, yo, fucking tattoos
Can you
in the
put this
back.
in there?
Yo, bro, like,
Yeah, there's
say
his-
what's up, bro. Like,
His cousin in the back, but you know.
that's that boy Nick Paid in the back, man.
Listening.
Nick Paid, yeah. We paid. Alright, little baby. I bet I'll get fucking. I'll get 10. Y'all see the vibes right now.
First, bitch, neutral.
Yes,
Alright, y'all.
here we are again, a car wash. To the cleanest car I've been in. Oh, fucking.
It's not the cleanest, but it's, you know.
My car a fucking mess right now.
It's
Yeah, all we needed was we should have stopped at the gas station first, grab backwards.
shoulda. Definitely shoulda.
Oh shit!
Put it up!
Yo,
Put it up!
it's not going up. What the fuck? No, you didn't. Yo, you did that. Yo, I got that on video too. I didn't touch it. I ain't touch it. Yo, yo, it's going down again. Oh. Yo, shit! Yo!
What the fuck is going on? Look at my car.
Yo, no
Look at my car.
fucking way, yo.
My car!
Yo.
You gonna come back and see or what? You staying back there?
Yo, yo.
No. This out of pocket. My seat is completely wet.
Yo, how the fuck? I got all that shit on video too. Oh shit! Oh shit!
Yo, put the windows up!
Nick, what the? Why your car keep doing this shit? Yo, yo, I'm wet as shit right now. Yo,
Yo, put the windows up!
Nick, what the? Yo, I'm wet as shit right now. What the fuck?
Y'all need to get dry!
Oh.
You need to dry! You need to dry! I know! You need to dry! I know!
She set us up. Fuck
Yo.
that. What is it?
What the fuck?
Still got one.
No.
Yo.
There has to be some malfunctioning or
Your
something.
car fucking haunted.
You know that's the first time that shit ever done that? No cap?
Yo, cause this
Is
that so?
Cause this shit stay fucking clean. I think that's how you clean it.
Yo, I think you better fucking sell this shit.
My shit is wet.
Yo.
No. We have to use these vacuums because now we gotta soak in all this water. That is out of pocket.
Oh, yo, what the fuck?
Y'all wet? Like wet? Y'all really wet? Like real shit?
Fuck yeah.
Like fully?
Like,
How
yo.
you jump on the back?
If I would have stood up there, I would have been fucking soaked. Yo, that shit was coming in hot.
You got wet too? Oh my god. Yo. Yo. Open this door.
Yo,
Oh my god.
put a fucking sponge on this shit.
I'm about to grab the bag.
Look at my hair.
It's wet.
Yeah, I haven't wet
You're
it.
not even wet.
I am wet. I'm not like soaked. I almost,
You really jumped in the back though.
I almost got some. I don't play no fucking games. Yo.
No,
Oh.
I have time in the back though.
Oh shit. Yo, this shit upside down. Yo, what the? Yo, this fucking vehicle haunted. Windows going down.
Damn.
Yo, am I tripping or all our windows down went down but yours?
No, my shit went down.
Your shit went down?
My shit went down. The video saw it.
So why you so dry?
What you mean? I'm wet. My hair may not be dry.
Uh.
Yo, when I tell y'all,
That's funny as shit.
that was funny. I was trying to look at his, but I was trying to control over here. You know, I was trying to.
That's funny as shit. I can't believe I got like that.
I had to lock the
I
windows.
should have saw that shit a mile away. Like,
I had to lock the windows and be like, put it up.
I'm like, what the fuck you mean?
Be like, no, you did that.
Ready to see.
Luckily, I got shorts, a beater.
I told him, I said, thank God he ain't come dressed, you know, like put that shit on, because he would have been mad.
Fuck no, it's too hot to put that shit on.
Definitely, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, make sure you go follow him. His Instagram and all his information will be down below in the description. He never introduced himself, but this is, you know, his man's.
You'll catch him on. You can catch him on my shit. I mean, tune into my Instagram,
His
tune into my
Instagram and
YouTube.
stuff will
You'll
be
see
down
him on
below. The ladies want to holler, you know, all that good stuff.
there. Make sure you click that bell so you can get notified every time she posts on YouTube. Link is gonna be in her bio. Alexis Marie. There you go.
Peace.
Up the ante and I'm showing my important. When the gravy, I be ballin' like I'm Jordan. All you hit is snoring. I be